The first thing you want to do with the remote is press the ABC button. This will ensure that you're talking to all of the pieces. In order to turn on, you press the power button, and as soon as you see some turn on, you want to press the triangle button. Triangle button means to repeat the last operation. In this case, the last operation was the power on function. So keep on pressing that triangle button until all the pieces are turned on. In order to change the color, you're going to press the circle. You press the circle until you choose the color you want, and then to change the pieces that haven't changed yet, you just press the triangle. The triangle is going to repeat the last function. In this case, the last function was purple. So keep pressing triangle until all the pieces turn purple, or the color of your choice. In order to turn it off, you press again the power button, and as soon as you see some turn off, you again press the triangle button, which will repeat that last operation. In this case, the last operation was power off.